20 Microns Nano Minerals, your trusted performance additive partner from 20 Microns Limited. Introducing Lithomer TOX, a next-gen white pigment for partial titanium replacement. It reduces TiO₂ by 15% while maintaining opacity and brightness. Advanced submicron engineering ensures superior scattering, whiteness, and clarity. It delivers enhanced opacity and improved whiteness index, ensuring better visual coverage in films. Also, it offers uniform dispersion in polymers, giving consistent processing and stable film performance. Lithomer TOX provides clean, odor-free performance even under high-temperature processing condition of polymers. It provides optical performance similar to TiO₂ while significantly lowering the overall formulation cost. Lithomer TOX at 15% achieves superior opacity versus European lithophone. Also, it shows better FPV value over European lithophone. It delivers the brightest film and the highest whiteness index than European lithophone. Lithomer TOX is ideal for white masterbatches, fibers and yarns, PE films applications, and PVC pipes. With EcoVadis Gold recognition, 20 Microns leads in sustainable, responsible manufacturing. Our state-of-the-art research center drives innovation, ensuring superior testing, development, and technical excellence. 20 Microns powers industries across India with advanced plants, strong R&D, and a nationwide sales network delivering performance wherever innovation is needed. Visit 20microns.com, email us at inquiry@20microns.com.